Hey, I am AHMAD PASHANA. I am a second semester student at the Polytechnic Negeri Banjarmasin in Informatics Engineering study program. Today I want to tell you how to recover lost files in computer, because if you have ever accidentally deleted your files, and these are simple steps how to recover. Do not be afraid if you have ever accidentally deleted your files. First, open Recycle Bin. 2. Search for that file if you want to restore and click right in your mouse. 3. And click Restore. Here are the steps with a picture. First, open Recycle Bin. Step 2. Search for that file if you want to restore and click right in your mouse. And step 3. Click Restore. So now, get the simple steps to restore your lost files. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Find me in social media. Okay, bye.